Friday night, and I need a fight. My motorcycle and a switchblade knife. Handful of grease and my hair feels right. But what I need to make me tight are those girls. Long legs and burgundy lips. Girls. Dancing down on Sunset Strip. Girls. Red lips. Finger tips. Trick or treat. Sweet to eat on Halloween and New Year's Eve. Yankee girls you just can't be beat, but they're the best when they're off their feet. Girls. At the Dollhouse in Fort Lauderdale. Girls. Rocking in Atlanta at Tattle Tales. Girls. Raising hell in the Seventh Veil. Have you read the news? In the Soho Tribune. You know she did me well. Then she broke my heart. I'm such a good boy, I just need a new toy. I tell you what, girl. Dance for me. I'll keep you overemployed. Just tell me a story. You know the one I mean. Crazy Horse. Paris, France. Forgot the names, remember romance. I got the photos, a ménage à trois. Musta broke those Frenchies' laws. With those girls. Body Shop and the Marble Arch. Girls. Tropicana's where I lost my heart. Girls. Hey Tommy, check that out man. What? This, where? Right there man. Hey baby, you wanna go somewhere? Girls.